Have you ever wondered how the human ear captures sound and transforms it into the signals your brain understands? It all begins with the external ear or pinna, which collects sound waves and funnels them into the ear canal, guiding them toward the delicate tympanic membrane, the eardrum. As sound waves reach the eardrum, it begins to vibrate, transferring these vibrations to the tiny middle ear bones, the ossicles, the malleus, incus, and stapes. These small bones amplify the sound and pass it into the inner ear or cochlea, a spiral-shaped organ filled with fluid. Inside the cochlea, countless hair cells bend and sway in response to the fluid movement, converting mechanical energy into electrical signals that travel along the auditory nerve to the brain. Simultaneously, the vestibular system, including the semicircular canals and vestibule, detects movement and balance, sending vital information to maintain your spatial orientation. Different regions of the cochlea are tuned to specific frequencies, allowing us to hear both low rumbles and high-pitched tones, while protective muscles in the middle ear contract to prevent damage from loud noises. When these hair cells are damaged, signals are weakened or lost, which can lead to hearing impairment. Finally, all this information reaches the auditory cortex of the brain, where sound is interpreted, giving us the perception of music, voices, and environmental cues. The journey from the outer ear to the brain is a perfect orchestration of anatomy and physiology, demonstrating how the ear not only enables hearing, but also plays a crucial role in balance, coordination, and awareness. Understanding this intricate system helps us appreciate why protecting our ears and maintaining auditory health is so vital.